Okay, so we are going to do some puppies. I'm going to show you how I do these molds because I don't put top coat on them. That way you can see all the different, like the details of the puppy's fur, right? So let me show you. We're going to need the molds. You're going to need your gel colors, a spatula. This is like a mold gel. I'm going to use a needle tool, a liner brush, and a silicone tool. Grab your I'm also going to grab a mixing palette, and then I'm going to use a little bit of this, which is a brush cleaning gel. A brush cleaning gel from Cocoas. It is not an LED cure gel, which means you can clean your brush with it and it won't get cured in the lamp. Now, some people put top coat in a mold. I do not. And I simply don't because you don't need to. Because it's going to cure tack free when it cures in the mold. So I'm going to clean my brush out. And I'm going to put that to the side. Now the first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to stir all of our colors. This is this the right one? This is gel from Medusa. I don't think they're in business anymore, which is sad because I'm running out. So stir your colors up. If you're using any gel product, you're definitely going to have to stir. I like to stir stuff and then I'll cap it. And then this is the black. And we really not going to need that much of everything. Just like a smidge. Clean your stir stick off after each one. That way you don't end up putting the color in another one. And then don't forget to clean off the sides and the end. And so this is a pink. Cool. Now I have my lamp over here, so I'm going to be cognizant of the lamp being very close. Make sure I don't cure anything that I do not want cure. I also have some NAS 99, which is just rubbing alcohol. So for the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take a little bit of your white, because I just need to do like the base weight. Wait. Let me explain something to you. When I mix this, it's going to start like basically curing as we're going, because the lamps around my table are LED lamps. This mold is from AliExpress. I will link it so that you can grab one of your own. See if I put my hand here, move these guys out of the focus. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to do the puppy's tongue and the bow. And I'll do the big one. That way it's easy to see. So the bow is at the top. And I'm not putting a lot. I really just want enough color to color the actual item. And then, you know, bend your mold before. If you watch any of my other videos where I use molds, just take your time with it. So if I knew I was going to do this on the client, I would have it ready beforehand. I'm going to flash cure that. I'm going to give it 10 seconds. Because I really just need it cured enough so I could go and do the next color. So that's it. I don't want to move it around. Now, gonna do the little tongue. Sometimes the molds can be like staticky, so you'll get like gel strings. I haven't found anything to remedy that, but it's fine. I'm gonna flip it over and look, make sure everything is solid like you want. Let me flash cure that, give it 10 seconds. I'm gonna do a little bit more on the pink because I noticed it's not as solid as I want. There's some little ridges right there. Okay, flash cure that. And then clean out my brush and I'm gonna do the black. Now we just need the black for the puppy's eyes and nose. See how it like splintered out and you got like some little bitty paint pieces up there? That literally just happens. Like it's like some kind of weird static effect. And I've already like used this mold before, obviously because I made the other puppies. But like, so I've wiped it with the alcohol. But it just kind of like splinters. So did the nose. And before I cure that, I'm gonna get a Q-tip. A Q-tip, I'm gonna spray it with some of the alcohol. Make sure it's not too much, and I'm just gonna get that off of there. And we're gonna pop this in to cure that. And it's black, so I'm gonna flip over. Cool. So far, we got her. It's just staticky. Her mouth and her eyeballs and her nose and her bow, all taken care of. We do those first. I feel like you could paint it after, but then you might lose some of the texture. So the next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna take some white, and I got this clear gel. From Born Pretty. This is a gel here. Now it's really thick. It's they call it a nail glue gel. It's UV LED. I think they use it for charms. I got it a long time ago, but this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna mix a little bit of this in with the white. Now, what it's gonna do is make it kind of pasty so it'll stick in the mold better. But also it will like start curing because of the LED lamps on the table. I'm going to use a silicone tool with this. Do my first application with the silicone tool. Look, making sure I hit all the areas. The silicone tool makes it easy so you can like mash it into all the little spots, because you don't want to do, like I've done several of them, and if you do it too thin, when I put the other gel over, you'll see like where these little spots are, you'll see the thinner gel, it'll be lighter. So that's the first layer of it. I'm gonna move this palette out the way, and I'm gonna cure this, and I'm gonna flip it over. I'm gonna cure it for 30 seconds, and I'm gonna flip it over. I'm not gonna stretch it anymore after this, like stretch the mold open. Okay, so we got it out of the lamp. Now you see around by the neck, we have those light spots, those gray looking spots. That's where there's not any gel at. When you flip it over, you can see it's right on the edges of the mold. So now we're gonna get the white gel in there, because if not, it'll look weird. I promise you it'll look strange, and you're gonna be like, what in the world is wrong with this? So let me get my palette back, and I moved this out of the way so it really wasn't in the light, and I'm just gonna try to hit all those points where light is showing through. Pop it in the lamp real quick so I can start freezing it. Okay, check again. It's looking better. Got a few, like right on this edge, right on there. So just hit all those spots. And I looked in that corner. I'm like, I could see it's not enough in this corner. Oh, see? Now that's looking real good, real solid. Pop that in the lamp. Gonna give it 30 seconds. Okay, so look, it's really good, really solid. So now we just gotta fill it up the rest of the way. And we're gonna use this gel for that. It's got this little needle applicator. It is translucent enough where it can fit, like the light can cure the whole thing. I also bought this off of AliExpress. I got another bottle. That's it. I'm just running out. Grab my other bottle of it. Okay, so it comes in a bag like this, and it's got an extra applicator. So on the other one, it might just be something wrong with the applicator. But whatever. But you see how like it's coming out way faster. So it could have been an applicator. It could have just been her right out. The plus about this is it's translucent white, like a milky white, so it's easier to cure. I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. Okay, so it's ready. It's out of the lamp. This is not sticky either. I do like that. So just peel it back. Boom! Comes out so freaking cute. Now these little edges right here, you just need to hit it with a file. It's tag free, so it's ready to go. It can go on a nail. See? I use a little gym gel to put it down on the nail, and then I trace around it with my top coat. So it's like really stuck to the nail. Easy peasy. Yup. Alright, so that's how you make puppy nails. Now, you could probably hand do this, but why? Got these molds. Alright, so like, follow, share, subscribe, comment below, anything. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions or whatever, and I'll put the links to everything that I had down in the bottom for you. Thank you.